Hi, I'm Bob from Plastic Pipe Shop, and in this video we're going to have a look at the range of Griffon PVC cements that we supply. Griffon is a brand name of Bolton adhesives, and Bolton adhesives manufacture brands you might be familiar with like Bostik and Yoo-Hoo and Bison. There are three distinct PVC cements which they supply. We've got the Uni 100, the Uni 100 XT and WDF 05, as well as a solvent cleaner product as well. All of their cements and cleaners are all RAS approved. The Uni 100 is the standard PVC cement. It has a medium body and a thixotropic consistency. Now, thixotropic means that as the joint is pushed together, the glue actually becomes momentarily thinner, and that allows it to move into gaps and to fill any voids. And then as soon as the movement of the joint stops, the glue thickens up again and that seals the joint. So it's a great way of filling gaps if you've got some fittings that don't fit together quite so well. Thixotropic glue will glue together much better than non-thixotropic cements. So the Uni 100 is great for nearly all applications unless it's a really harsh chemical application. For example, if it's a concentrated chlorine solution which you're dosing, in which case you need to use the high chemical resistance cement which you'll find on our website and is manufactured by ERA. The Uni 100 XT by Griffon is to all intents and purposes the same as the Uni 100. The only difference is that this cement is manufactured to be THF free. THF is tetrahydrofurans, and there are some safety concerns and environmental concerns which have been coming into the media about the use of these chemicals, as I say, in the environment and for health and safety. So although most people still use just the Uni 100 at the moment, I can see maybe 3-4 years down the line that the Uni 100 XT is going to become the more standard cement. Both the Uni 100 and the Uni 100 XT have a cure time of between 4 and 16 hours. Now that depends on the size of the fitting, it depends on the pressure which you're going to be running the system at, and it also depends on environmental factors like the temperature. The WDF 05, like the Uni 100 and the Uni 100 XT, is a thixotropic glue, so it's good for gap filling. It's a blue colour and it's designed to be a fast setting cement. So where the Uni 100 and the Uni 100 XT might have a setting time of between 4 and 16 hours, the WDF 05 we're looking at between 30 minutes and 4 hours, depending on what pressure you want to put back in your system. So if you've got repairs or anything like that, this is the glue which you need to use so you can get your system back and up and running really quickly. It's only really suitable for pipe sizes up to 110 millimeters or 4 inches and pressures below 10 bar. At pipe sizes bigger than 110 millimeters and greater than 10 bar, the cure times are going to be much the same as the 100 XT. All the cure times of all the glues are all on the online documentation which you can find on our website. All the glues are available in a bottle like this, which has an integral brush. There we go, on the inside. You see the nice consistency of the glue there. So an integral brush on the inside, which is great for daubing around the fitting and around the pipe. If you're using pipe sizes much larger than maybe 2 inches or 63 millimeters, then I suggest you use one of the tins which we supply that have a big opening on the top, and you buy a larger brush and use that, because trying to use this small brush for large fittings is going to take too long and the glue will start going off by the time you get to the end of the fitting. Just on that, it's worth remembering as well that with the WDF 05, because it's a really fast setting glue, after you've used the brush, get the brush back in and get the cap back on, otherwise the glue will start going off, and if you get into the habit of leaving the cap off, you'll get halfway through your job and you'll find the glue will start getting thicker and thicker because it'll actually start going off inside the bottle. So full MSDS sheets and product information with setting times and pressures are all available on our website for download, but if you'd like to get any more information or you're not sure about something, then please give us a ring at the office or drop us an email and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Bye.